The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hamilton County, Tipton County, until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles west of Tipton, or 15 miles east of Frankfort, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tipton, Windfall, Cicero, Arcadia, Atlanta, and Kempton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hamilton and Tipton.